Ever wondered what it takes to renovate a traditional Caribbean villa in Antigua and Barbuda? Imagine embarking on a journey not just of transformation but of discovery and preservation. It's about unraveling the charm of traditional Caribbean architecture, tackling its unique challenges, and reaping the rewarding beauty of a carefully restored villa. It's an adventure where the old meets the new, where history intertwines with innovation. So, are you ready to dive into the unknown? Join us as we explore the fascinating process of breathing new life into a classic Caribbean villa. The first step in any successful renovation is careful planning. As we embark on this exciting journey, it's crucial to assess the villa's condition. This isn't just about spotting the obvious damages, it's about understanding the bones of the building, the integrity of the structure, the soundness of the foundations. It's about the hidden issues that could become major roadblocks down the line. Then comes budgeting. Renovating a villa in Antigua and Barbuda isn't a small job. It's an investment of time and money. So you'll want to plan carefully, considering everything from materials to labor costs. Sourcing materials can be a challenge, especially when you're trying to maintain the villa's authentic Caribbean vibe. The goal is to find materials that match the original structure, preserving its unique character and charm. Don't underestimate the value of hiring professionals with experience in Caribbean architecture. They'll know how to respect the original architecture while making it fit for modern living. Remember, a well-planned renovation can transform an old villa into a dream Caribbean home without losing its historic charm. With a solid plan in place, the transformation begins. The execution stage is where vision meets reality. It's a symphony of structure and style, starting with essential structural repairs. Old Caribbean villas are works of art, but time can take a toll on their structure. So, the first task is to ensure the villa stands strong for years to come. Next comes the exciting part, adding modern touches while preserving the villa's original charm. It's a delicate dance of old and new, where each step is taken with respect for the villa's cultural heritage. Patience and flexibility become your best friends when unexpected issues arise. Like a sudden downpour in the dry season, these surprises can be challenging but manageable. Finally, finishing touches. A stroke of paint here, a piece of vintage furniture there, and voila! The villa is reborn, a perfect blend of tradition and modernity, and there you have it. A beautifully renovated Caribbean villa that pays homage to its cultural roots while offering modern comfort. Renovating a traditional Caribbean villa is more than just a construction project. It's a journey into the past, a dance with time-honored design, and a chance to contribute to the preservation of Caribbean architecture. Each beam replaced, every tile laid, tells a story of resilience and charm. The draw of the old world meets the convenience of the new, all the while respecting and celebrating our cultural heritage. In every renovation lies an opportunity to celebrate and preserve our culture. So, are you ready to embark on your own Caribbean renovation adventure?